In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all photos in Google Photos. If you've ever wanted to organize, download, move, or delete a large batch of pictures at once, selecting everything properly can save you a lot of time. This method works best on a desktop or laptop because it relies on your keyboard and makes it much easier to handle a large photo library. Start by opening Google Photos on your computer. Once you're in your main photo view, go to the very first photo at the top of the library, which is usually your newest image. Move your cursor over that photo and you should see a check mark appear in the top left corner. Click that check mark to select it. This first click is important because it tells Google Photos where your selection should begin. After that, you'll need to scroll all the way down through your library until you reach your oldest photo. Depending on how many pictures and videos you have saved, this may take a little time, so be patient while the page continues loading more items. Make sure you truly reach the bottom before continuing, because the goal is to select everything from the newest photo at the top to the oldest one at the end. Once you're at the last photo, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding Shift, click the check mark on that final photo. When you do this, Google Photos will automatically highlight everything between the first photo you selected and the last one you just clicked. That means all the photos in that range will now be selected at once. This is the fastest way to select all visible photos in your Google Photos library using a computer. If you have a very large library, give Google Photos a moment to finish highlighting everything. You may notice a short delay while it processes the selection, and that's completely normal. One helpful tip is to be careful before taking any action after selecting all your photos, especially if you're planning to delete or move them. Since this method can select a huge number of images at once, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct range has been highlighted before continuing. And that's it. By selecting the first photo, scrolling to the bottom, and then using Shift click on the last photo, you can quickly select all your photos in Google Photos without having to click them one by one.